we're back. Okay,
Real here, huh?
today we're gonna talk about a machine gun.
At the table.
A machine gun, yeah.
You got yelled at. Anyway, sorry.
If you guys remember, you saw this
No, you didn't. No. And so.
video about
he's really
a
soft. Like, he's so fun to talk to.
a gun, like a normal gun you can read out.
Apparently he's a jerk.
It's right here.
But I don't see it.
It's right here. Ow.
He's like, not a Chang, but no, not a.
This is not my room. This is outside,
But just
man.
like, you know,
The good part.
Like
Okay, if you're a girl, don't
not
just
cold, like kind of like heartless sounding.
ignore that part.
Guy, but really,
Okay,
he
this
cares,
is
but
a
he's just joking.
freaking machine gun. Not really,
No,
but
you
come
I
into
don't
the
even know
street?
what kind of gun this is.
Because he
so.
said he wants to talk to me some
It's
more.
a gun.
We were parked over
with
there.
the
I don't know if you
piece
saw.
of poop.
Oh no, I was sitting there.
Never mind. It
was
can
right there.
actually not. It can't do anything. It's just like this.
where's
It's
he
just a
at?
style.
He's going to pee. And
It's just a style, okay?
Bye.
Can you read?
Yeah.
And my sister's
Gone
back.
Bye.
Bye. That's just my sister. Just talk to her now. I said so much. Say she's back now, so just talk to her a little bit. The camera.
But I got nothing to say.
My face.
Do you love my face?
Don't. If you do that, I will say no. But if you do it your face normally, I would say yes. What? I'm just. That's just my mom.
Okay, let's go.
Just give me one.
Peace out.
Not yet.
Oh.
So, if you guys are wondering, where did you get this?
You didn't introduce
Minecraft?
it yet. What
Yes,
is
I
that?
did. I just
No, you
did.
didn't. Oh, when I wasn't listening?
Yeah. Just wait, man. Anybody say it's a girl? Just ignore that part again. Wait. Not that cool.
Bosco's back.
And I'm back with a jacket on. Okay. I think you're thinking, where do you get this Bosco Does Minecraft? I have no idea actually. This is a long time thing, so yeah, I have no idea.
Bosco, it's okay. You can just keep talking. You don't have to be embarrassed or shy.
But seriously, I have no idea actually.
What does it
I
say
think
on
it's
there?
from
Do you know? It says
Rexall.
small. What does it say on there?
I have no idea.
Try it.
Small soldiers.
Yes.
It says small soldiers. It's like it come when my damn mom slammed the door in my face.
No, she didn't.
She just broke the door. Whatever. This is a freaking not machine gun, but I have no idea what gun this is actually. If you're watching this, you remember you watched a video about a gun. That's the first video I actually made. Not really. This is the iPad. Before it was like my sister's phone, I think. She left it in her friend's car, so I have to use my iPad. And then you're thinking, where is your toy gun? It's right here, okay? Like seriously, everybody wants it.
But
I wanna
no one's
reload
gonna
and
get
touch your
it.
face. This is how you reload. It's like easy. If you're thinking this is just like part 2 of this mod. This everybody's thinking is Minecraft, but it's not. Hey.
Aw, he's shy now. Just kidding.
Okay, today this is part 2 of the gun mod. This is not Minecraft. It's not. It's just I'm just calling it a mod. Okay. This is part 2. So you're thinking. I hope you're thinking. Is there any more bullets you can put in there? No. It's only this thing. Oh yeah, here's the bullets. These like stayed up bullets. Stayed up bullets. I'm mostly she's actually holding a camera right now, so she can do whatever I want with it. She's like, I can do a rocket. She's like that. Not really. That's not true. I don't want to be mean to her. I'm just kidding, okay? So I forgot to tell you how cool this is actually. You can actually take off this yellow or green or orange thing. I can't take it off because I'm not that strong. I'm a kid. I'm 6 years old. Okay? Seriously, I can't. I'm 6 years old. This needs a 10-year-old to like play with this thing. What? Is that's if anybody hear me swears, just close your eardrums. If anybody's a swear, just don't close your ear, don't do anything. Just listen to this video. This thing is stupid. Okay, like seriously. Who buys a gun with a 10-year-old thing with it? Like seriously, look. Stupid. Okay, peace out. If anybody steals, bless you. Boop. Okay, peace out.